The rapid changing of skin color is one of the most amazing things we can see in the animal kingdom. The way such animals blend in with their surrounding is definitely a miracle play. In this video, we have listed 10 most amazing color-changing animals. So here we go. Number 10. Arctic Fox. One of the most beautiful and amazingly adaptive Arctic animals. They can even survive freezing temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. The thick fur is one of the main features of the Arctic foxes that make them well adapted to live in the frigid Arctic climate. Their rounded body shape and short legs and ears also let them conserve heat. Throughout the winter, the Arctic foxes have beautiful white coats. It allows them to blend in with the snow of the Arctic tundra, so that the Arctic foxes can effectively catch their prey, like hares and fish. In the next summer season, their color will change to brown. It provides excellent camouflage against the rocks of the Arctic tundra during that time. Number 9. Mimic Octopus. Mimic octopus, scientifically known as the Octopus mimicus, change their color, and they can also mimic other sea creatures such as lionfish, jellyfish, stingrays, and sea snakes. The mimic octopus can pick the color of the sea creature that they intend to mimic. The mimic octopus change their body shape to avoid potential predators. The change of skin color helps them to adapt to their surroundings. Mimic octopuses can change color and mimic shapes due to their skin, which is very responsive to the environment. Number 8. Golden Tortoise Beetle. The golden tortoise beetle is an insect that can change its color. The species with this ability include Cherodotella sexpunctata and Cherodotella egregia. The tortoise beetles change color due to particular events that occur in their environment. Such events include meeting a willing mate and being touched by a curious human being. Hence, when they are mating or agitated, the tortoise beetles change their color from gold to a bright red color. The change of color occurs due to a process referred to as optical illusion. Number 7. Pacific tree frog. The Pacific tree frog inhabits North America. One of its common features is its sticky toe pads. The sticky toe pads enable them to climb trees and plants. The Pacific tree frog changes its color to blend in with its surroundings. The change of color is a defense mechanism against predators such as raccoons, bullfrogs, snakes, heron, and many others. Pacific tree frogs also change their color based on the seasons and temperature. When the temperatures are high, they turn into a shade of yellow. An example of Pacific tree frog species that change color is Hyla regella. The process of color change in Pacific tree frogs takes 1 to 2 minutes. Number 6. Seahorses. Seahorses, such as the thorny seahorse, are among the marine animals that have mastered changing their color. The purpose of changing their skin color is to camouflage, frighten predators, communicate their emotions, and for courtship. Complex interactions between the brain, nervous system, hormones, and organelles make it possible for the seahorse to change their color. The organelles responsible for these color changes are known as chromatophores. Regarding the speed at which the skin color changes, this depends on the stimulus. For instance, in a life or death situation, such as involving a predator, the color changes quickly. But whenever the seahorse is courting a mate, the change takes place slowly. Number 5. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are cephalopods that change color to feed on prey and avoid predators craftily. They have 3 mechanisms by which they can change color. First, the cuttlefish skin contains papillae that alter the tone of the fish. The papillae cause the skin to become smooth or rough depending on the environment. Secondly, camouflage is possible because of the chromatophores in their skin. The chromatophores are sacs of color pigments. To change color, these sacs receive color-changing instructions from the brain and act accordingly. Lastly, cuttlefish have reflecting plates called leucophores and iridophores. The plates enable the fish to change its color. Number 4. Squid. Squids are marine cephalopods. They possess 2 long tentacles and 8 arms. An interesting fact about the squid is that their blood is blue. Furthermore, they have 3 hearts instead of 1 like other fish. The squids are uniquely beautiful and able to change color. They change color using chromatophores engraved in their skin. The purpose of changing color is to match the surface they are on so that they can avoid predators. The camouflage also acts as a hunting tactic, since it enables them to hide away from their prey. Number 3. Crab spiders. Spiders called flower spiders or crab spiders change their color. They usually change color to hide from their prey. Consequently, these spiders change color to resemble the flower surface on which they sit through the reflection of light. Some spiders release a yellow pigment that enhances their color-changing process. An example of a species of spider with such color-changing features is Mishuminotus formosipes and Mishumina vitia. The color change from white to yellow takes 10 to 25 days. Hence, the flower spiders patiently wait for the completion of the process before they can attack their prey. Number 2. Cyanea octopus. Known as the big blue octopus or the day octopus, Octopus cyanea is found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific. It is known as the day octopus as it is most active during the daytime in contrast to most other octopus species. The Cyanea octopus is especially adept at camouflage, able to not only frequently change the color of their skin, but also recreate patterns and textures. On the hunt for crabs, mollusks, shrimp, and fish, the Cyanea octopus is able to quickly adapt its appearance to its surroundings, even mimicking moving shadows, such as overhead clouds. Number 1. Chameleons. Perhaps no other name comes to our mind when talking about color-changing creatures. The rapid changing of skin color is the most distinctive feature of chameleons. Of course, chameleons can perfectly blend in with their surroundings using this behavior, but the changing of the skin color of chameleons is actually caused by the change of their mood and temperature and the intensity of light in the surrounding area. Some species of chameleons can turn into almost any color. Chameleons have special pigment-bearing cells under their skin. The change in mood, temperature, or lights send a message from the brain to these cells. It results in the change in color of their skin. The change will happen in just 16 to 20 seconds. That concludes our video of the 10 most amazing color-changing animals. Which one did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.